issue of judgment delivered by one system. I think he's one of the newest judges that have been throned. I'm coming again from a place called Kubu, where our greatest traveler comes from. And in fact, not only coming from there, he is a person who is behind all these macabre dance. I'm talking about the governor. You know, I shoot from the hips. I don't leave you to get the imagine who am I arguing with. I'm talking about the governor of the State, Governor Siminalayi Fubara. And I pray for him that he changes his style. Otherwise, God, the wrath of God, will descend. Yes. I thought that all of these bravado that is, machinating around APC, he should have used the same thing to register himself as party member, PDP member. I thought he should have used all these powers, all the influence to put himself back into the register of the PDP. He's not a member of any political party. He doesn't carry any political parties card. Yes, he candidated under PDP when he was a member of PDP. But I can tell you that today, if there's an election call, he has no party. Because the party that will sponsor him for the election, it was PDP, will never do so, because he's not their member. Now he's in the business of trying to divide and rule and make a mess of the entire judiciary. I have refrained. My friends have begged me to refrain from using uncanny and crude words while describing the judiciary justice. But he that I have said to you, and I need to say to you again, that the judiciary in Rivers State is a supermarket. It's a government supermarket. He comes and buys any judgment he likes. He assigns judgment or cases to anybody he likes. I'm not aware. You will never shave when Abiola, won election and they said they have annulled it. He gave all manner of parables. If you cannot shave a man or someone in the person's absence, you begin to shave my hair. I know you. And you said that a baby that has been delivered cannot be aborted. All of these things have been concluded. The National Secretariat of our great party issued dates ahead of time, given the dates 16th, 23rd, and 30th, and opened the flanks. Say, if you are interested, you want to contest, you want to run any election, come and buy the forms. Forms were sold. I bought my own form for 3 million. Please look at the record. Chairmanship aspirants bought for 3 million. Same as deputy chairman, and then cascading down from secretary down. I bought mine for 3 million. And I was ready for election. I was campaigning everywhere. If anybody was ready to contest with me. But the people said, oh, you have done well. There's no reason for us to change the winning team. And I am not aware of any court process whatsoever. I can't be a soothsayer to know about anything called court process. For what? By whom? And it means that our party leadership is so daft, so stupid, that they have to come down to personal, I tell you the process in our party. When you elected, if you can carry the elected members of the SYMFONI to Abuja, there's a conference hall. That's where the National Working Committee agreed to. But this is different. That's social love. And it's again because they knew about these whole machinations around the state that they say, look, let us put paid to it. The next order to if the knowledge of the National Working Committee of APC was in the public glare, they would have gotten an order restraining the national chairman from even coming to Batakot. They won't even mind if it was going to impede on his rights. They won't care. And the judge in Rivers said to give that order. There was an attempt. They didn't serve me. I'm told that they served the national. The national said, okay, we have seen it. I went to court. And the matter that is in court of appeal, another judge here, just a kindergarten one for that matter, assumed jurisdiction. Without regard and respect for the hierarchy of courts. What is the dance? What is the Makaba dance about? It's like a million times. Let them do whatever they want to do. I think they said the other day they are going to commence content and waiting in my life. I will not run away from this country. My life. But they must know that there are a plethora of judgments delivered by the Supreme Court. And we have cited even the ones that took place in APC. Ighodalo versus Dele Moses. The Supreme Court said no. It is an internal issue of the party. And courts were reminding you that they ought not to get involved in the internal issues of the party. Because it is not within your rights to tell the party who their chairman or whoever is. It's not. It is a party. And it is a known slogan amongst all politicians that party is supreme. So what do I care? If I like, hit another one, drop it on top of this table, and they are wasting their time. At the end of the day, the business of party begins with at the ward and then moves up to the national secretary. There are the Baba. Those who are doing all the rubbish cannot even get close to the gate of the APC secretary. So what do I lose? And the truth of the matter is that you, all of us, should be able to use our reach to pray and to wish that our state is not thrown into chaos by frivolous, idiotic judgments paid for. Very careful. I'm sure that you remember that each time NJC has to invite judges in this country, there must be one from the state. Shouldn't that tell the story of how the judiciary has become so petty? How the judiciary has become a place where anybody can go. So summarily, gentlemen, I'm not aware of the processes. It's even as law-abiding party. You saw when the judgment was given. Some of my lawyers spoke. They told them that they would seek an answer and not the next line of action. And also gave a synopsis of all that transpired. And we had advised them to go to court of appeal. Let them appeal. Then the law, then the courts, the judiciary tell us that they are superior to court of appeal. And the matter that is subsisting in court of appeal, and that judge here, State High Court. State High Court is lower to Federal High Court. If you are not a lawyer, that's the hierarchy of courts. State High Court are number 5 in hierarchy. So number 5 is taking the place of number 2. And you think that, but you know, the day I was sworn, I extended the image to everybody. I said, come, let's work together. Where it becomes impossible and they are embarrassing, I will not sit down to see them embarrass Mr. President. The APC is Mr. President's. For the national chairman and 18 national working committee members, made up of deputy national chairman, South, deputy national chairman, and several other very influential members of the national working committee. You come down here, and anybody is going behind because you think you have the law, you have the cash to throw around, and you want to embarrass the national secretary of our party. I will not sit down here to talk. I will expel them. Please go with this story. And I said, I will expel them. It's a political party. If the kitchen is too hot, what do? You will get out. Oh, he said, I saw them, I will keep embarrassing. Embarrassing who? What are you embarrassing who for? What? If the governor calls a meeting of political parties today, I will not attend. Yesterday, I would never have attended. So what do I care? But if INEC calls a meeting, INEC, the one that regulate parties, the ones where we submit our nominations, I will attend. If APC Nigeria calls a meeting of all the chairmen in Abuja, I will attend. Okay, so what do I lose? Do I have to go and buy something in the market and say I'm APC chairman? And then when I go to buy with my money, they said, oh, they will sell to you because you have been removed by the court. I mean, have you sat down to say, what is this whole thing about? Let them keep dancing. We are doing our business. So that judgment is what I'm concerned. Has no effect. Has no effect. And we'll keep doing what we are doing because we are within the ambit of the law. The party is free, and Obama and whoever again will assign the matter and don't decide for us how we go. Yes, so